Don't jump. Whoa, backward jump. Can you say bus?
Bus.
Can you say horseshoe?
Horseshoe.
Can you say... Joey, look at Daddy. Can you say excavator?
Excavator.
Can you say front end loader?
Loader.
Can you say bicycle?
Bicycle.
Can you say popsicle?
Popsicle.
Can you say icicle?
Bicycle.
Can you say...
Dragon Drive?
Where do we live? Can you say ice cream? Look at Daddy. Say ice cream.
Horseshoe.
Cohen, when's your birthday?
April.
Yay! April 14th. Can you say teenth?
April 10th.
When's Daddy's birthday?
April.
When's Mama's birthday?
April.
No.
March.
This wheel has wheel. This wheel.
What's the matter with the wheel?
This.
Let me see it.
This.
Oh, it looks like there's a stone stuck in it.
Yeah.
We can just pop that out like that. See?
Yay.
It was stuck in the tread.
Vroom.
Yay, we did it. Chloe, we did it. What do you say?
Lucina.
Yeah.
Yeah. My poop in here.
Mm. Pump some gas in your truck.
They pumped this one.
Pump, pump, pump. You pumping gas?
Ew. Look, Daddy. Pumping engine.
Let's see. Are you making the engine go?
Ew. No, Mama. I'm my engine go.
Well, how is it going to go? With gas?
Ew.
Good.
Oh, no.
I see that. Is that the big stick sticking out? Is that the gas pump?
Daddy, me pump.
Oh my gosh, surely the tank is full by now.
You're not supposed to leave it unattended.
Daddy, me pump.
Okay, Daddy's gonna pump with this. Pump, 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 pump.
No pump. This
Oh,
one.
pump, 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 pump. Put the gas in.
I hear a train.
I hear an airplane. Hey, Chloe.
Daddy, that's not an airplane.
Chloe, is that an airplane?
No. Hey. Baseball. Baseball. Hit. Okay, back.
Where's the bat? Can you say thermostat? Pretty good.
There you go.
I hear an airplane again. Bye, Colin. Wave bye. Wave bye.